What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and today's video we are going to talk about the all new upcoming Xiaomi 11T series, and they will be included of a Xiaomi 11T, 11T Pro and the 11T Lite 5G NE. Now there's been a lot of leaks, rumors and renders about these smartphones, the trials of smartphones. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So starting off with the design of the Xiaomi Mi 11T series, then it will be same as the previously generation of the Mi series, which is the Mi 11X and the Mi 11X Pro. These smartphones will be identical to each other's, and not only that, there will be also identical colors, which are the Celestial Blue, Meteoroid Grey and the Moonlight White by the looks of it. Now what we also know about these smartphones is that they will be sporting a 120Hz of high refresh rate with the AMOLED display on the trio of these smartphones. One more thing which will be identical with the Mi 11T series, Xiaomi 11T series, is that the 108 megapixel camera. All of the three smartphones will be having a 108 megapixel camera, and by the looks of that, the Mi 11 Lite 5G will also be replaced by these smartphones. So the Mi 11T Lite NE will be the upgrade over the Mi 11 Lite color phone, which was being a flop by the Xiaomi and due to its poor sales. But the processor of the smartphone is still yet to be revealed, and we are waiting for that too. So stay tuned for the further updates about these smartphones, and if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.